Hi there, and welcome to the Business League. My name's Edward Plant. I'm one of the co-founders of the Business League, and you've just registered for one of our events coming up. So I just wanted to take a moment to share a couple of things with you. Firstly, what the Business League is about. Second, what you can expect and how you can get the most out of it. Thirdly, some more opportunities that are going to be great for you that'll really help. So firstly, the Business League. What's this all about? Without a doubt, the most common thing I get asked is, are you a BNI? So let's get that out of the way straight away. We're not. We're not a BNI. We're very different, but I'm not going to go into it too much because you can come along and experience it for yourself. What you need to know is you'll be met at the door by one of our members. They'll introduce you to a heap of people. Our breakfasts kick off at 7 o'clock sharp. The doors open at 6:30, so there's up to half an hour of free networking time there for you, which is a great opportunity. We then run through our event and we finish at 9 o'clock on the dot. Bring business cards, come ready to have fun, learn, connect with awesome business owners and do business. The second one was the Business League. The Business League is a community of business owners that support each other, connect, develop and grow. And that's everything we do is around those three pillars. So at the breakfast, we will be connecting with heaps of awesome business owners. We'll be developing your skills and knowledge to go and do better. And you will be growing your business through referrals, connections, partnerships that you form and doing business on the day. So they're the three things. The reason my wife and I, Beck, run the Business League and do it is we want to have a positive influence on the community. We know that if all the members improve and implement one or two things every month for a year, and they get connections, referrals, good networking and grow their business is going to be in a better place, which means their family's in a better place, which means their staff's in a better place, which mean their customers are in a better place. This has a ripple effect into the community and will make the community a better place. We do that so that we can raise our 6-year-old and our 4-year-old and they have an amazing place to live. So that's a bit about the Business League. We do it through supporting, networking and just helping you get what you want. We're more than just a networking organisation and we're there to support you. Which leads me to the next opportunities for you. They are, if you've got a problem, you're not sure about networking, you want a hand to get the most out of the breakfast, you've got another business problem, book in a call below and I'm more than happy to spend 10-15 minutes and just see if I can help you. No cost, no strings attached, no sales, just helping you. The second is we have a free Facebook community where we support each other. So you can join that by clicking the button below. It'll take you to the Facebook group. You just press join, answer a couple of questions and we'll help you. One of those questions is, do you want a free download of the 25 best ever bits of networking advice that we've dragged from all other business owners throughout Australia? So if you want that, let us know. And so that's the Connection Hub. Apart from that, if there's anything that you need us to help you with, please let us know. If you've got any dietary requirements, email concierge@thebusinessleague.com.au so that we know. Apart from that, we'll have a couple of emails in the lead up to the breakfast. I'll also give you a call just to find out more about your business. And I'm really looking forward to meeting you. So please come and say hi at the events. If you've got any questions, reach out. Apart from that, I'll leave you to it. My name's Edward Plant from the Business League and I'm looking forward to seeing you soon.